Hey everyone, so I'm back with my Try It Tuesday series, and today I am so excited, like probably even more excited than I should be to try this product out today. And if you can't tell by the title of this video, it's going to be a face mask. But it's not just any face mask, it's a magnetic face mask. I am beyond excited to try this. I don't know why, I'm just like especially excited to try out this mask. I don't know, I found it so intriguing and so fun when I saw people review it like on their Instagram stories and stuff. So I was like, I need to try that because pulling off the mask with a magnet is just like so cool to me. I don't know why, but it just is. So that's what I'm going to be trying out today. I'm going to be trying out the Dr. Brandt Magnetite Age Defier Skin Recharging Magnet Mask. It looks so interesting, and yeah, I just want to like go right into it and try it. I've been like, I saw this at the checkout at Sephora, and then once I saw it even in the mini size, I was like, well, the mini size, it's kind of pricey actually. I think it was like $20 some just for like the mini size. So like, this is like a pretty pricey mask, but we'll see if it like really does wonders for my skin. So I'm gonna take it out of the box. As I said, I think this is the mini. I think obviously comes in a bigger size. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. This little mini jar, and then it comes with this little like spatula thing. And then of course, the magnet. This is like intense. And then they say on the directions, so I'm gonna like clean, I'm only gonna do it on like a portion of my face. First of all, when I try a new skincare product, I don't want to put especially like a mask over my skin. I don't know how it's going to react. So I'm just going to try on half anyway just to see if there's a difference with my skin. So basically this claims that it's age-defying facial mask. It dramatically transforms the look of your skin by harnessing the power of attraction. The magnetic properties of the iron-based formula help reduce signs of aging skin and lift away the look of stressed skin. Look magnetically youthful and energized. Definitely want to look energized. It is like 6:30 p.m. right now when I'm filming this. I feel like so casual today in my sweatshirt, and I'm going to be tying my hair back in a second with my trusty Invisibobble. Invisibobble? Yeah, that's what it's called. So I'm just going to tie my hair back in a little ponytail. So as I'm tying my hair back, I brought my cleanser in here with me, and then a washcloth. And then I'm going to wash, my face. And then I'm going to try the mask. So, let's see how this goes. Alright, so I'm going to wash, use my Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Clay Cleanser. And I'm going to wash, I guess I'll do this half of my face. Okay, so we have the mask here. Open this up. Alright, I don't even know how much to apply. I should probably read the directions. Use the spatula, spread a thin layer. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. And then wrap magnet with a tissue and glide over face. So pretty simple directions. We're going to start to apply this to my face. Very, very like smooth and like buttery. As I'm spreading it, it's like very buttery. This is a really good look for me. Five to 10 minutes. That's like a big difference, like 5 versus 10. So I guess we'll do like 7 to 8 minutes. I'll set my timer for 8 minutes and I'll meet you right back. Alright, so it ended up being about 10 minutes actually later, and I have my magnet. I've got my tissue. So it just says to cover the magnet with the tissue. So we're going to do that. And here we go. I can't wait to see how this works. I think it still feels like tacky to the touch to me. I don't know if it's supposed to be. We'll see. And if it has issue coming off, then I'll like wait a little longer. Here we go. So got my tissue, have my mirror. Let's see. I'm trying to get it at an angle so that you guys can see what's going on. Oh my god. It feels like I'm not even brushing the skin. I don't know if you can see. on, let's see if you can see from this angle. See that? Oh my god, that is so crazy, and it feels so weird. I'm not even touching my skin and it's just like picking it up. Oh my god. That's insane. And it's like leaving a residue of like the product on it, like kind of like a balmy feel. Let's see. Oh my god, this is way too cool. Alright, I'm just gonna tissue off any excess. Alright, my face right now feels so clean and like so soft, extremely soft compared to the other side. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. I have to say, this mask is like really good. Okay, so final verdict of this mask, it is really, really good in my opinion. Like, I want to obviously use it a little bit more, but first impression, it's amazing. So I give it 2 thumbs up from me. So I'll leave a link to this product if you want to check it out below. I think it's amazing. I think you need to try it out for sure. If you've tried it out, or if you have any other brands, I've heard like drugstore brands have it, some too. Leave a link below, or let me know below what your favorite masks are at the moment. So hope you enjoyed this for my Try It Tuesday. Definitely stay tuned for next week's Try It Tuesday. I'll be trying out a new product next week. So make sure you hit subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss out on it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this series so far, and I'll continue to keep doing it as long as you guys like it. And I guess I will talk to you soon in my next video. Bye.